is Jenna with Resort TV1, and today we are at Disney's Hollywood Studios, and we're gonna check out some of the construction updates. So, hope you guys enjoy the video. And I'm gonna show you a few clips from on the way in to Hollywood Studios that I took of the new Skyliner and of the Star Wars Lane construction. And I'm gonna put in a really cute clip of some ducks. So it was super cute, guys. I hope you enjoy that too. Lots of construction here for Star Wars Land, and it looks like they're working right now. And this is on the other side of the road. So here's some of the gondola construction. There's a crane over there and one of the things that they're going to use to put the gondolas on. I forget what they're called. Here's another one of those poles for the gondolas. And they have a whole line of them that go all the way down this way. And here's another look at the gondola poles. Here's some more construction over here on the gondolas. I'm assuming this is going to be the place that you can get on the gondolas, on and off. So here's a little poster here that tells you about it. So I guess they're calling it the Disney Skyliner. And here it looks like it's going to be the station. What they're gonna look like, and then here shows a little bit more of what they're gonna look like in there. And here's the map of where they're gonna go. I apologize, this is into the sun, but here's some more of the things that the Skyliner is going to go on. Lots of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like 5 or 6. The ducks are really talking today. I think they need a ticket. Oh, there they go. They're gonna go in. They don't even have a ticket, but they're going in. Here they go. I think they're friends with Donald and Daisy over here. So they're gonna go in and say hi to their friends, Daisy and Donald. Yep, there they go. They're going over to say hi to Donald. That's hilarious. Here there, Donald spotted him. Oh, that's awesome. Donald's following the ducks. Oh, there they go. Good job, Donald. Alright, so I'm super excited. This is the first time we've been at Hollywood Studios since our tickets were blocked out for the 2 weeks during Easter. And for those of you that don't know, Josh and I have, I think it's the Gold Pass, where we're blocked out 2 weeks at Easter and 2 weeks at Christmas, the busiest times of the year. So we decided to go with that one because it was, I think, it was $100 cheaper or a little more than that. So anyways, that's the tickets we have, but we are unblocked now. Yay! So another thing I wanted to come check out today was Sweet Spells, because I heard it is closing really, really soon. So I definitely wanted to get some videos inside of here because I know it's closing really soon. And I'm really sad about that because I love sweets and I love candy and I love the smell in here too. So we're gonna go inside Sweet Spells. Wicked Witch. So I just love the smell in here as you come in. I love how it looks like a apothecary in here.
Build a big Star Wars fan.
So if you guys don't know, it smells like yummy sweetness in here. Actually, I think Neverland Mercantile has a bath frosting that smells like this. Smells amazing. Here's Maleficent in this window. Lots of yummy colored M&Ms and jelly beans and candy over here. We have some goofy candy over here. Don't see any gummy spiders. Chocolates, jelly beans. More yummy candies down here. Cookies. Here's the Wicked Witch window we saw. And if you guys don't know, I heard that they're making this into a Pixar shop. That is what I heard. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below. And over here is where you can get all your yummy candy. Looks like she's making some marshmallow M&Ms. Yum. Some yummy apples. We also have the famous carrot cake cookie in here. I know a lot of people like that. So they already have some Pixar stuff in here. And I heard that's what they're changing the whole store to. And I found the cutest tank top over here, guys. I want this too for the opening of Star Wars Land. But check this out, it's so cute. And here's the aliens down in the corner. It's $32.99. I tried it on. The only bad part is that the sleeves are huge, but it's cute. Here's some Monsters Inc. stuff over here. Inside Out. Wall-E. Love Wall-E. It's one of my favorite movies, actually. If you've never seen Wall-E, it's so good. And Up. Another one of my favorite movies. And this is the coolest thing ever. It's a tail. A Sully tail. So it's $24.99 for that. So we're heading back here to see what we can see if they've done anything new to Toy Story Land. Cannot wait for that to open June 30th. Super excited. There's a big old crane back there, but that's for Star Wars Land. Here's some art over here that we've seen before. June 30th. Come around here a little bit. Looks like they backed up the wall even more. That's pretty cool. Oh guys, look, you can see more. This is awesome. Here, I'll zoom in. That is so cool.
We just went like around. You want to ride it? We just went around? You think so?
So I backed up a little bit, and now I'm going to zoom in. Looks like you can see a little bit more of the Slinky Dog coaster from back here. That's really cool. And I know Rex was back there somewhere, maybe behind the tree. So there you go, there's some construction update on Toy Story Land, opening very, very soon. June 30th.
We're gonna sit right here.
So here's some Star Wars Land construction over here. And just a little bit ago I missed it. Mom saw a truck driving right behind this wall, like a big old semi truck. There's some cranes. And here is a poster of what Star Wars Galaxy's Edge is gonna look like. On a remote outpost planet, new adventures await. Opening in 2019, I'm so excited.
Take it easy out there, okay?
And company halt. All right, then you can sit down your beer. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am
So here is Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Coming attractions. Here at the Chinese Theater, and it says stay tuned. They have not given a date for this yet, so don't know when this is gonna open. So here's another cool poster. Disney's Hollywood Studios are bust. For Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Coming to the Chinese Theater. Alright guys, we're gonna walk back here and check out some of the Star Wars Galaxy's Edge construction. You can see a little more over the wall, they're going up. So you can see a little bit more. I'm gonna zoom in for you.
Okay, where you going?
So just pick something that's not
cranes are moving, so you know they're working today. Here's the poster for Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. This is going to be the entrance. Live your adventure in 2019. It's a really neat wall. It goes all the way down this way. And a little bit this way. So right next to the Muppets, you can see a little bit more of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge there. And a little more right here as well. Alright guys, while we're doing our construction update, of course we have to eat some lunch, so we're gonna go to Pizza Rizzo. Thought pizza sounded good today. I'm gonna head in here and grab a bite to eat. Smells like pizza. So we got our food, and I got the plain cheese pizza, and it's the regular Disney pizza. And you had an option of getting it with chips or a Caesar salad, so I got chips, and I think that's a new thing, because before you could only get the Caesar salad. And Mom and Dad got the pepperoni pizza with chips as well. And then we all got ice water, so we're super thirsty. Definitely need to stay hydrated at the parks. And I also did a review here before, so definitely check that video out. Say hi. And we are upstairs at Rizzo's. And it's really nice. Not a lot of people up here. Most people are downstairs, so it's nice and quiet and air conditioned. So we went inside of Sweet Spells to get us a treat before they close. And I got the Mickey peanut butter cookie with chocolate ears. It broke actually, but it's still gonna taste the same, so that's okay. And Mom and Dad got the carrot cake cookie. It's like a whoopie pie, so it has the cream cheese in the middle. And then we also went over to Starbucks because you need something to drink. And we got regular iced tea and white chocolate mocha. So yum, yum, yum. We're super excited. Alright guys, well that is it from Hollywood Studios today. I hope you enjoyed coming along and checking out some of the construction updates, and also checking out Sweet Spells because it's going to be closing really soon, I think on Monday. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely subscribe if you haven't, like the video, and leave a comment. Let me know what you like inside of Sweet Spells and what you're going to miss there. And definitely check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com for the best and free Disney planning advice. And also WindowRepairParts.us, and use the coupon code ResortTV1 for 20% off your purchase. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.